How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Razer Kishi V3 Pro to any Android device. Basically, these steps are going to be the same for most Android models out there, but there's a slight difference. Now, if the OTG connection is available on the More connection section inside your Android setting, you simply want to turn this on. This will allow USB devices to pair with our Android devices, so just make sure that the OTG connection is enabled. Just search it onto your settings and you should be good to go. Well, if it's not available, it's most likely that it's already turned on. So you want to navigate through the last step, which is to just plug the charging port of your Android device to the end of the Razer Kishi V3 Pro, as you can see right here. Just go ahead and make sure that they align together. Insert the USB-C plug onto your charging port, and then the device will automatically be connected. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.